Hey there, my beautiful family. Welcome back to the CML TV. If this is your first time here, CML means Cultivate and Motivate Me Lifestyle TV. So, guys, this was the same spot I was in last night when I was introducing the cooking video of me and my husband. I went to bed early last night, got up after 3 this morning, start working on my hair, then went to the food pantry, came back, ate something, and now I am not in the mood to go in the garden. Not in the mood. So I'm going to be sharing a video with you right now to motivate you, to inspire you to go after whatever you want. Yes, guys, go after whatever you want. Do not let anyone deter you from going after what you want. I always tell you, there's no shame in my game. And this thing that I'm about to share with you, I feel fulfilled whenever I'm doing it. Yes, believe it or not. Because you might say, how can somebody feel fulfilled after doing something like that? I do. Because it's free stuff. FREE, free. All right? And yeah, before we get into the video, guys, let me apologize for the audio because my microphone was not working properly and the wind was very, very, very high. All right, so let's dive in now because Mama just called and we are going on the road. That is another thing, guys, that always makes me so happy. I love to go shopping with her and her buddies, them old people there. Yeah. So, anyways, guys, I might do a little vlog for you all to share with you. And as a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna join my friend Kathy doing the vlogmas. So today is gonna be my first day doing vlogmas. All right, so let's dive right into the video now. Hey, dear friends, have you ever heard this saying, "There's no shame in my game"? Well, I am about to exhibit that to you today because I was just coming home from work on a Go Glades bus. I think it is that bus right over there because the driver told me that he was going on his break right after he dropped me off. So that's probably him right there. So he drove around, and while I was passing, guys, I saw um something like some terracotta pots and the bases for the pots in an area where I just passed. So, all right, at the end of this video, what I want to do is to actually inspire or motivate somebody to go after what you want. You see? Yeah, because sometimes we are full of so much pride. We are afraid to ask for things, and when we see things, you know, we pretend as if we don't want it or if it doesn't have any use to us. Right now, my gosh, you probably can't hear me so well, guys, but I am walking through the library area where it is um, kind of like a shortcut for me to get to that area faster because I am pretty sure there are more persons out there like myself who is always trying to find something to use in their garden, either to repurpose or do something. Yes, so we are going to that dump to get those terracotta pots. I pray that's what they are. Oh, I need to turn the camera and show you guys how the palms are dancing. Look at that. It is a very windy day, very windy. Ooh, it's beautiful. Okay, so I paused for a few seconds to get a quick shot of trees dancing. I have my bag, guys. I have my bag that I'm gonna use to put the stuff in, and I also have my gloves in case the trash area is not looking so clean. say I am almost there because I can actually see the area. All right. What else did I see? I think this morning I saw somebody digging up an area where they have a lot of black dirt that I could actually use in my garden. Oh, I might probably walk to that area later today or tomorrow to find out if I can get some of the dirt to use in a new project that I started a few days ago. Okay, okay, guys. Whoa, jackpot! Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus, for this little blessing. Yes. Whew. All right, so I need to put the camera down now, guys. First of all, let me show you what I'm about to pick up. So here are the pots. Looks as if some of them is actually broken, but I have more good ones than broken ones. All right, guys. So let me put on my gloves real quickly to pick up these things. I am not sure if they are plastic or terracotta. This bag looks as if it is big enough to hold all of them, so I am going to put this. Oh, they're plastic. So I'm putting this base in it in the bag first, and then I'm grabbing these. Looks like we might have some terracotta ones right here. Or as a matter of fact, so guys, the wind was so heavy, it kept knocking over this camera. It even cracked my the the phone screen protector. But it's a good thing that I have an extra one at home. Alright guys, so I'm going to take these home and I'm definitely going to wash them to use in my garden. So now these smaller ones I have to put them in on one of these bags. Alright guys, so remember now, no shame in your game, okay? Oh, so these are the real terracotta. Oh, Jesus! Real terracotta! Can you hear them guys? Can you hear how heavy they are? They are heavy. Honestly, I have always wanted some of these, but I told myself that I was not going to spend money on certain things if I don't have to. And today, I am being blessed by free terracottas. God, whoever threw these in the trash, I pray that they might have some more to throw out right here, and I will just come and get them to use in my garden. This bag looks as if it's not doubled up enough, and I don't want it to break. Alright guys, I might have to leave the broken one, but as for these, I'm taking all of this, and I'm not leaving this. Alright. So guys, I got what I came for. I'm going to be heading back home now. There's actually a shortcut that I could take, but I'm not going through any shortcut right now. So guys, here are my beautiful terracotta pots that I just grabbed from the trash. So for today's motivation and inspiration, it is whenever you see something that you might need or want to use in the comfort of your home, your garden, or just to repurpose it, do not allow shame and pride to stop you from getting what you want. I think I broke this one while I was returning, but I am going to use some nail glue to get it fixed. But yeah, here they are. Aren't they beautiful? So guys, comment down below and tell me if you would actually go dumpster diving to get something like this, either to use in your garden or to use in your house, because I have so many plants that I want to repot right now. And these beauties, oh gosh, you're definitely going to be seeing them in another video, guys. Okay, so remember now to comment, like, and share. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell, so whenever I upload another video, you will be one of the first persons to be notified. All right, and if you have not yet subscribed, how about doing that right now, guys, to be a part of this great, big, wonderful family. All right, so I guess I will see you guys soon in another motivational and inspirational video.